Yeah, I'm shaking so busy smile. Good morning from a mama and her cute baby who's looking at our vlog. Good morning, Bobo. There she is. Say morning. She's got the pinky in her mouth because she's fussy. Obviously, she just woke up, so she's hungry. Usually, she wakes up with smiles and laughs, but today, I guess she's very hungry. So I'm just gonna change her and then feed her, and she's most likely gonna go back to sleep. And I definitely might join her, and then we'll start the vlog officially. So I fed her. I know I said I'll come back after a nap. I fed her. After I fed her, just as I lifted her to burp her, I hear on the other side. And I'm pretty sure I know what that was. So I've got homegirl back here. Hopefully she'll be more willing to participate because she's full. Yeah, I knew it. There's a huge difference, eh? There's a huge difference between being hungry and full. But yeah, I can smell it. I'm gonna deal with this situation and change it. Yes, she slept in her clothes. It doesn't really matter. The clothes are soft enough. And I don't think they bother her when she sleeps. It was too hot to put in her long baby clothes that are PJs. So we went with this. Let me change this girl. Put her out of her discomfort, huh? Can you say, Mama, please put me out of my discomfort? She's also got like a big booger that I can hear in the way that she's breathing that I need to get rid of. She's smiling because she doesn't know Mommy's about to pick in her nose. Huh? She's asleep in her bed. Yeah, she doesn't sleep with us in the bed. I just put her there because I thought I'd climb in as well. I usually snuggle with her in the morning, but I put her down, she fell asleep. So I'm thinking of just starting my day instead of sleeping again, so that I can sleep early tonight. But yeah, here she is. Don't worry, she's under the covers, but I'm monitoring her. So I don't usually just leave her like this without monitoring her, because obviously she could slide under the covers and things like that, which is not safe. But because I'm watching her on the camera, I put the cover over her because it's a little chilly. Not chilly, but not warm enough for her to be in ipunpun. Halel. Yeah. Anyway, let me go have some tea. Let's go say hi to Ignatius. He's watching a match he watched yesterday, as you can see.
Highlights.
And he's eating cookies I baked yesterday, which I don't know how they taste. So good luck to you. Morning, babe.
I'm eating 3 of the cookies that you baked yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And the other ones are in there.
And I'll say, Muleyo. Mianwami. Nama emetres nama pump in the background.
Sanbonan. Ninja. I'll say happy.
Oh my gosh, I don't think you've called me my name since you've met me.
Okay, I think it's me. No lange lihle alwande. No buyitumelo rejoice siyaphila.
Wena bani?
Mina Ignatius Mzwakhe Mandla Nkosi.
Okay. So now with there's something in your hair. There you go. So here he is. Thank you, babe, for saying hi. He's just getting ready for work. Let me not make it a mukbang here. But yeah, he's going to work. It's actually Sunday. So yeah, live shows, guys, as you know. He's ready. He's on his way to work.
Ready to?
Rock and roll.
Wow.
Sure.
I made this.
You made the t-shirt?
No, man, not the t-shirt. The design.
The design, okay. He made this design, guys. So, woohoo! So it's about maybe 15 to 20 minutes later. Yeah, she's awake. So I'm gonna go get her. Let's see if she can hear me. Go to sleep, Little. She's not even acknowledging. Go to sleep, baby. Nope. There you go. Say hello. Hello. The way you geared yourself up, not to bozo kulum. It's hello, Lily. It's hello. 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 I'm awake. I'm awake. Hello. Did you hello me?
Hey, baby.
You hello me? Yeah, Shabby fan. Just looking at the fan. Fan. It's kind of hard to vlog with Lila in my arms because I carry her with my right arm, which is my dominant arm, which means I have to carry the camera with my left arm. So it's loose.
Family picture.
And now I've got my thumbnail. Wow, Lila. Yeah, I'm shaking so busy with I was just trying to take the opportunity to actually get us all in frame for the vlog. Tell me one more time.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so too. But yeah, I'm busy making delicious paperwork, asking for thumbnails. But yeah, Alicia's up, so I'm gonna put her in a thing, and then she's gonna play. I'm gonna watch Superstore, cause church isn't streaming.
They are streaming.
Are they?
Last week they were streaming.
Yeah, I watched last week. There was another guy preaching. I watched last week's stream, but there was only preaching. There wasn't worship or anything. Then this week I haven't gotten a notification yet, and it's 9:20. So, and I'm busy recording here on the monitor.
Bye.
Bye.
Where
Daddy's
my
leaving.
charger? Wait, there's my charger.
Daddy's leaving. Nasambukang babakhe. Ubuke wena bethu.
Said my YouTube video.
It's weird. It's weird.
Yoberekela wena. Yosebenzela wena. Yes. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, babe.
Have fun.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye, Daddy. We shall watch you.
Bye.
We shall watch your work today.
Yeah. Interesting show.
Bye. Bye. Oh no, you're blurry. Bye-bye. Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
So, Lise, Daddy just left. Let's have a party. Can you say bye? Bye for now. See you later. Bye for now. See you later. Bye for now. See you later. Well, homegirl finally woke up. Listen to me say homegirl. I watched too much It's Judy's Life. So I need to breathe. Alicia woke up. So I'm just gonna make her something to eat. She woke up a little bit grumpy, but I think she's fine now. Like, she wouldn't let me put her down to go get stuff and warm her bottle and stuff. I think she's fine because she's eating my shoulder. But at least I got a chance to do some things like paint my nails and my toenails. And now I'm busy with my video lessons. Hold on. So just sichekela. Sikhamba kanjani? Khamba njani mama? Khamba njani? I think it's sharp. Stop eating my shoulder. Like I was saying, I was busy with my video lessons. Because practicals are happening during COVID, there isn't really the lecturers don't come to observe your class, so you have to take a video of your class and then send it. But some of my video, the children's faces are showing, so I'm trying to blur their faces from my videos before I upload them. So that's what I was trying to do, but my computer's acting up, so I'm going to take the opportunity just to feed her. She's already been changed, and chill with her until the computer starts back up. It's Windows updates. Does anybody else's computer become really, really slow and ineffective after Windows updates? Because wow, just wow. Yeah. It's hot, isn't it? Yeah, it's hot. Mama put the bib on. Mama put the bib on the baby. Mama put the... Oh, okay. Yeah.
No, we were.
I don't know if I'm visible, but lately I've been having some trouble with her nursing. She'll nurse for a little while, and then if the nipple slips out, then she'll just fight like crazy, and she'll scream, and she won't want it. Like even if it touches her lip again, then she'll like be feisty. I don't know what's happening. I think maybe it's because I've been away doing practical, so she hasn't been nursing as much, and as a result maybe she's not used to it anymore. So I'm hoping I can get her used to it again. Or is it too late? If an experienced mama could just let me know. I don't know if this is the best angle, but yeah, if somebody could just let me know, like, does that mean it's over? So now, yeah, just giving her from the bottle. I do still attempt to nurse her, but I'm obviously not, I won't do that here in front of the camera because I'm not trying to give anybody some sort of peep show. But yeah, that's just been my struggle. Well, breastfeeding hasn't been like 100% going well from the get-go, but she did nurse and she did eventually latch. She just wasn't getting enough milk, so I'd express for her, but my milk supply wasn't high, so she'd have formula at night, things like that. I think things just became worse when I started practicals, because now she doesn't want to nurse for long. So she's currently on 150 mils of both breast milk and formula. She doesn't finish formula, but it lasts longer, that small amount. And well, it's like 100 and something mils that she'll drink, maybe 110, 90 to 110. Both breast milk, she wipes out the entire 150 mils. So yeah, I'm learning. But I wanted to have as much breast milk as possible, and preferably fresh. That's why I'm so frustrated when she doesn't want to stay latched, because I know it's good for her digestive system, for her to, poop and be regular, and just overall, at the end of the day, breast is best, but we're not going to starve the child in the process. So fed is best. Can you say it? Fed is best. So yeah, the breastfeeding thing has honestly been something I've actually been, it's a soft spot. So when other people are like on me about it and, saying, oh, maybe you didn't do this, or maybe you didn't do that. I tried everything. I spent like almost 600 Rand on lactation cookies. I've spoken to people. I've attended webinars. I've done literally everything. I've been busy with my breast like every 30 minutes and things like that, and I just get so annoyed when people think they know about what happened, what's going on in terms of the breastfeeding journey with Ulihle, and they feel the need to give unsolicited advice or judgment. Like, I'm not a person who swears, nor am I a person who has ever been like a person who used profanity, but in that case, I'm being real. No, I'm being real. Like, I don't do it, but in that moment, like, that's the feeling I have. Like, I wish I could say to someone some profane words if they say that, because it's frustrating when you struggle and you're trying your best and people shame you and say, oh, you're not a good mom, or you're lazy, you're not trying, and they weren't here, or they aren't here when I am trying and doing everything that I possibly can. I've done supplements. My milk supply issue, well, now I'm having a milk supply issue because I'm not able to pump as much, and so the breast isn't stimulated as much. But just in general, like when people comment, like, I don't like it. I really don't. And I'm being real, and I know maybe the way that I'm being real, I should have been in front of the camera, but I just thought I should speak about it now while I'm still feeling Lihle, who's clearly enjoying herself. But yeah, you do what you can. Just to the moms out there who are discouraged or feel like people shame them or make them feel bad. At the end of the day, if your baby's fed, that's what's best. Don't feel shamed. Just keep trying. Get the help that you need. But don't let people shame you. You're doing your best. Nee, Mom. We're doing our best for our little ones. Our little ones. Breastfeeding. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. The pumping. For me, I feel like, yeah, it's been a lot. Especially in the beginning, I would be pumping every 3 hours. So I'd wake up in the middle of the night to pump, and then wake up again 3 hours later. And I was a zombie. I was exhausted. So then I started pumping according to her meal times, how often she eats. And so now at night, she sleeps pretty much like maybe 7 hours all the way through without needing a feed. So I have that gap. But I haven't been waking up because I'm doing practicals. But yeah, it's alright. We'll get there. We'll figure it out. And if we don't, it's okay. We tried our best. Isn't that right? There you go. There you go, Mama. One more. Okay, so it's time to get this little one clean. And for today, I'm going to set up shop here instead of on the bed. I'm going to do it granny style. My mother does it like this when she baths Lihle. Sorry, my mom does it like this when she baths Lihle. So I think I'm going to do that. But I'm kind of apprehensive because I'll talk about that later. But for now, like, I'm a little bit apprehensive, and I'll talk about it in another vlog. I'll just make a separate video. But just note that. So I'm gonna go grab her and give her a bath. This was shooting someone who can't sit. She keeps sliding more to the side and into the pillows. Hello, Lihle. Hello. Hi. Yeah, Boo Boo. Hello. Hey, let me just get her because she's struggling. Can you say Daddy's home? Daddy's home. Yeah, Daddy's home. Look at Daddy's home. I know. Hi, Daddy.
Daddy, you back!
Hi, Daddy.
Hey! Oh, my baby!
Daddy.
Are you gorgeous? Hey. I missed you. I missed you so much. I really did, Joe. You don't understand. Yay, when you. Hi. kunengingane lapha. Eish ngicanga. Nkosiyami. Azakhumbula wami manje. Hey wena. Hayi wazulapha. Hey. Khumbula kangaka. No Coco na yathenga ukudlisa. Coco said hello. Yes. Coco. Yeah, hello Coco. Sampana my wife. Sampana.
Wait, there's clothes in the background. Okay, what's umuzo nomntwana velu upside down? Look what my hubby brought home for me. Sweet treat. It's not mine. Oh, it looks so good. What is this? Cheesecake.
I don't know. This is cheesecake. This is fridge cake.
I thought I saw
pineapple.
An ant. Hold on. Was there an ant?
Pineapple fridge cake with marshmallows. Bagu, Anika.
Is she baked this? Okay. Well, I forgot to mention. Babe, can you just stay with Vicky while I go get it? So, Ignatius' boss. Yeah, my hair's a mess. I know I need to fix it. I was banking on... Yo, guys, look. Hey, so Ignatius's boss, Nana, she made Lise a quilt. Did I show that on the vlog?
I don't think so.
I think I might have done it in a vlog that I'd never uploaded because it was incomplete.
No, man, I think I saw it. What is it? Hey, we're happy.
Ignatius comes home, he says, my boss made something. My boss, your boss and who, babe?
And her mom.
And her mom made this for Lise. And I was like, oh, okay. Guys, it's a quilt. Like, gifts like this, I find them so sweet. Like, when somebody puts in... You want to talk about it instead of me, Lise? Okay, kuluma ake. I feel like she's gonna roll over one of these days. Eh? She just might do it right now if the bed wasn't a bit lopsided.
Yeah?
Oh, shame. Queen. Yeah.
Hey, daddy, hey, Kailan.
I think she's frustrated that she can't move as much as she wants to. She's like, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yeah? Okay, I'll help you now. So anyway, okay. Like I was saying, gifts like this are like somebody gives their time and their effort. I'm not saying other gifts are... Okay, hold on. I'm not saying other gifts are not sentimental or anything. It's just that... No, let me not say it's just that. I in addition to liking gifts, I also like... How do I put it? Yeah. What I'm basically trying to say is that the quality that I like about a gift like this, yeah, it's the time and effort that somebody will put in thinking about you and then using their time to do something for you. So I think that's really sweet. So anyway, I don't know if I showed it. If I did, we're shooting in Comeback Where's 2. Maranai, I haven't washed it. I should probably not put it on the baby as yet because I haven't washed it. And we're already having things with her skin. Let's see. And yeah, our room is a mess. This quilt was made for Lise. It's quite big actually. So I just okay. So I just need to just to wash it. Now I want to roll. When's that? Yeah, you wanna start rolling on the vlog? Huh? But yeah, we've gotta wrap it up for the night. I have to fix my stuff for school tomorrow. Ignatius has to take a shower and relax. Ulihle has to sleep for a little bit more, and then I'll wake up for her next sleep. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, Komezan. Like, can we talk about that? Why on earth does Lihle have pockets? What is she gonna put in there?
Her phone, her wallet this side.
You're getting a pillar phone. Lihle, the space is too small.
Yeah, my
How
phone,
cute
my
is this
baby,
picture
phone,
with Dacious and Lihle? My people. Anyway, yeah. No, the space, pocket le phone.
Ngangale phone.
Lihle's the size of the phone. But anyway, yeah. So this is the end of the night, babe. It's a good night.
Good night.
Night. Lihle, say good night.
Wait.
Good night.
Lihle, say good night. Say good night. Good night. Yeah, she's waving. She's going good night.
Good night.
Night. Good night. Night, boo boo. Night, guys.